Good morning, class. Yes, children, before starting class, please open your GK book like this, and also you have to open page number 58. Here, chapter number 35, country flags, we are going to discuss with you. Yes, children, we know it very well. That is, every country has a unique national flag, and there are so many flags. It has been given in these pictures, and you have to identify. And we are going to write the answers. Yes, children, in first picture, flag has been given, and its answer will be India. This is a flag of India. And in second picture, France. This flag is, in France. So this is the flag of France, we can say. And also in third picture, answer will be United Kingdom. And in fourth picture, answer will be Mexico. And in fifth, it will be Brazil, and in sixth, it will be Russia. So we can say, in these pictures there are so many flags, and in which country it belongs? First India, second France, third United Kingdom, and fourth Mexico, fifth Brazil, and sixth Russia. These were the flags. And now we are coming on chapter number 36. There are so many languages. So we know, children, language is very important, and it is also an important part of our country, our country's culture and history also. Today there are so many languages spoken around the world. We have to match where it is spoken, in which country it is spoken. So here is Russia, India, France, Korea, Turkey, Spain, Germany, United Kingdom. There are 8 countries. It has been mentioned in your book on page number 59. So in first, in Russia, Russian language will be spoken, and also in India, Hindi is spoken. This will be your answer. And in France, French is spoken. In fourth question, in Korea, Korean language is spoken. And in Turkey country, Turkish language is spoken. In Spain, Spanish language is spoken. And in Germany, German language is spoken. And also in United Kingdom, English is spoken. Children, in the chapter 36, there are so many languages I have mentioned here as answered, and here these are the countries where these languages are spoken. So according to it, you have to fill in your book. These answers are the correct answers. And here I want to share with you, these were the chapter number 35, country flag, and chapter number 36, the name of the chapter is languages. So children, here your answers I have already mentioned. You can fill in your books, and in next video we will see the next chapter. Okay children, thank you very much. Have a nice day to you all. Thank you.